god. Okay, that's fine.
You can fix it later.
Yeah. Konnichiwa, minasan, and welcome back to another episode of Anime Fan X Weapons and Firearms. Yeah, Weapons and Firearms, I think. Fuck, I always forget my show's name. It's so long. So today we're gonna be looking at bladed weapons. So like as you know by the title, we're not just gonna look at firearms. We're also gonna look at other stuff like melee stuff, bladed weapons, that kind of stuff. Like anything other than guns. So I'm gonna start off with a couple set of folding knives that I have right here. So here we go. I got 4 in total. This is how many I have at my place. So like here, these are all the ones I have. There you go. So here's one. It's a little assist tactic imaging. There you go. There's that little small folding knife. Next one is this one right here. Well, these are just like standard folding knives, nothing special really. A little stiff to open because I had to tighten this thing right here. That way it won't get loose and open up by itself. And I don't know if you can notice that there's like a little crack right here. Pretty sure you can. There you go. So this is a knife that I used to carry like for self-defense. And one day at my relative's house, they were taking out a dishwasher that they don't use anymore. It was stuck on some cables. Took out my knife. I was trying to cut it, and we didn't know that there was still electricity going through it, and it blew up the wires, and it fucked up my knife. So like it was all black and it was more cracked. So then what I did, like I think a day or two later, I went to my backyard and like took like a file and just like sharpened it, and I was able to get rid of most of the cracks on it, except for this one, because this was like the biggest one there. And I cleaned it up, so now it's not burned anymore. So there you go. Next up is this Jeep folding knife right here. There you go. Little fancy Jeep branded folding knife. And then this one comes with a little with a razor blade in the back, so you could like cut through string or something thin that's cuttable. That's handy too. Now for the fourth one of my folding knives is kind of like the one that I got fucked up. This one's all in black. It's a nice knife. And this is what I currently use for self-defense or carry around. So yeah, there's all of those. Let me show you one more time.
This guy's gonna come home soon. Gotta hurt.
Who? Your brother?
Yeah.
That's fine. Just let him pass through the back.
As long as he wants to get stabbed.
No. So here's all my folding knives all opened up. Here we go.
Ooh, scissors hands. Edward scissor hands.
So, and
how much memory do you have on your camera?
Well, I deleted most of the stuff that was on there before, so I should have enough for the whole video.
Oh, okay.
And this is the guy who helped me out with the first 3 episodes with the guns review. He was the camera guy. He's like, yeah. I was gonna explain an episode that we did, but we never got to do.
Oh, yeah, that's alright.
Because we couldn't test it at the range.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Maybe for the next round.
Because that's when you were laughing because I was trying to. I was demonstrating the snap caps on it, and it kept sliding off.
Oh yeah, I was trying to laugh on that one, guys. Not bad. I'm gonna have to redo that one.
Yeah, we're gonna remake another one. We're gonna actually fix it up. Okay. Here's the 2 biggest ones I have right now. So this is the Bowie knife right here that came with the sheath. Got it from Amazon. Damn. It's a nice Bowie knife.
Oh shit! I hope you caught that on your camera.
Probably, I hope so.
Dude, that's fucking dirty. Fucking fractured.
How'd you fracture?
I tried almost making a fucking hole in the wall.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn.
I may go crazy sometimes, guys. Just ignore it. So you guys don't want to see it.
So, a Defender Bowie knife. I'm not sure if you, there you go, you can probably
Bowling knife.
It's-
Bowling.
see. Since it's like reverse, everything's like reverse the letters.
Oh yeah, and also guys, before he forgets to mention it, he was in my video just not too long ago.
Oh yeah,
He was my guest
we
on it.
just made a live stream on his channel.
Yeah, so I'll be doing a lot of live streams if you guys are into that. So yeah, he will probably put my link in his channel.
Yeah.
The description down below.
The thing down there.
Yeah,
Well,
not
what's
down
this?
here though, but down there, somewhere there.
Yeah, the thing down there.
Oh shit!
Here
Put it
we
on my nuts, bro.
What?
Put it on my nuts.
Alright, this is a cookery. This is not mine. This is actually my mom's.
That's
And
pretty awesome.
translated, a curved machete. And yeah, pretty basic. Curved machete by Cold Steel. The sheath still has a price tag on the name of it.
$24.99.
Yeah, that's how much it costs.
What is it?
Yeah, $24.99. Cold Steel Cookery.
Ooh, where'd she get that?
Machete with sheath.
Where'd she get that at? That nice
forgot.
store? Did she get it at the nice store?
Not the what?
The nice store.
No.
Where did she get at Walmart?
Probably can. Probably in some states. I don't know.
You come here, fucking Walmart.
So that's all my stuff that I have right here that I brought for presentation in this video. All my folding knives are right here. Here's the two biggest ones that I have. And now we're going up to this guy's collection.
Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I'm so much entertaining now. So, well, if you guys want to know what I said, basically, I literally forgot your phone is and your camera's dying, I guess. But anyways, I'll just do whatever. You guys will see it in my other live stream that I did, so you guys could check it out. But whatever. I'll start up with the M-Tech. This is a fucking dagger.
And Tech USA daggers.
Yeah, check this out.
Some really nice stuff. They may be small, but they're really awesome.
They're gonna do a lot of shit to you. You never know. You don't wanna know. You don't wanna know what they're gonna do to you. You don't know where you wanna be at. You might be 6 feet under.
Damn, dude.
Okay, next, the illegal knife, which is an awesome, cool looking Batman one, like how you called it.
Yeah.
And it's from
Battering.
Viper Tech. Yeah, I used to forget names, but yeah, guys. Yeah, see, Switchblades. He said it's hard legal, and it's a nice brand too. See, there you go. I'm not good at.
Yeah, cause like any folding knife that has some kind of thing to assist you in opening the blade, it's like you can't really carry here in California. Maybe in some of their states.
So like, you guys can see that. I'm gonna cut them off right now. Yeah,
nice.
just cut them. But anyways, this is a cool knife though.
Yeah, regardless, it's an awesome knife.
And here's
These
my
are
little
all
from Tech Force. It's a little. I might think it's a revolver, but it's not. But anyways.
Fuck.
Yeah, this is awesome because you can actually, if you're in a camp out and then you want to sharpen wood, like how he told me it, you could do this, guys. Use those little holes, those 4-looking vagina holes.
What the fuck?
And it's also legal to use Switchblade. It's a fucking
Not
dinosaur.
only that, it's a carbon bead knife.
Yeah, and it's a fucking dinosaur claw.
A what?
Dinosaur claw.
The fuck?
Anyways, yeah. Sorry guys, I have ADHD sometimes, so just ignore me. I act stupid at times, mostly stupid all the time. But yeah, anyway, this is an awesome cool, guys. This is an awesome cool thumbnail.
More Viper Tech
Fuck, I was gonna say thumbnail, my bad.
thumbnail?
Yeah, I was gonna say thumbnail. Well, this is an awesome logo from these guys. And we're opening this peach crap again. And this is another fucking dinosaur claw. I call it dinosaur claws. And it has like
Yeah, it does look like a dinosaur claw.
And this one you try to sneak up on
It's
it.
another carbon bead knife.
Yeah, you just go like this. And then...
Yeah.
Well, yeah, let me take it out. I don't want to do it though. There you go, see? Fucking awesome.
It's a raptor claw.
Oh shit, sorry. She just kicking in on your fly.
Down.
Fucking, I hate you ADHD, I swear, I hate it. I hate it. Why the... Whatever. And now, that cool part I want to say, perfect point throwing knives. AKA daggers. Well, I call them daggers, raggers, swaggers, whatever. It's all a clean caca. But anyways, and this also comes with this little pouch thingy.
They come with their own sheaths.
Yeah.
Throwing knives. These are throwing knives. Or throwing daggers, if you want to call them daggers.
Yeah, no, they're actually sharp. These could actually kill the shit out of you.
Oh, these can.
Yeah. I know what to use if we ever hit, if a fucking war hits here, I'll be ready. Smells like pinche grasa. What a caca. Actually smells like shit, dude. Waiting for the cat shit.
Oh.
I think the cat poop.
No, it's fine.
Yeah. And now, oh yeah, I can't show the other one. But you guys want to see the exclusive things on here? Just go to my link, I guess. Get the fuck out of here. And this is the other version, the one that he has.
Here's one of the good ones.
It's a fucking combat knife, guys.
Huge ass Bowie knife.
Yeah, it's a survivor ones. I'm a fucking Rambo, whatever.
The thing's bigger than mine. Look at that.
Yeah, compare it.
Yeah.
And then also it's cool because it comes with its own little filer.
A whetstone to sharpen the
Yeah,
thing.
to stab the shit out of you guys. No, just kidding, not you guys. But self-defense only.
Yeah, use knives in case of emergencies.
Yeah, or
So don't use them just to kill.
just to be cool.
Yeah. This kind of makes it look like you could probably not. Like you could like mount it onto something. I'm not sure. Here you go.
So yeah, that's the main one right here. He likes a lot, which a lot of
Yeah, I
people do.
really like that one.
And who the hell's Jackson? Fuck you. Fuck you, fucking rebel. Hijo de... Fuck, can you post that shit? I'm trying to get the other one, get it wrapped up.
Yeah.
And then this one is by MTech USA, guys. I don't know if I can get fucking stacked, man. Shit, bro. It's an awesome fucking scorpion shit. This is Tomahawk, guys. Real life Call of Duty
Check that
shit.
shit out.
Real life
Tomahawk.
Yeah,
by
real life
by
Call of Duty.
Tech USA.
Yeah, it's awesome, guys. And then I have more stuff that he didn't want to review here, so just check it out in my link in the description.
I mean, if you really want to, you could go ahead and like bonus review.
Oh yeah, what do you call those fucking edits?
Cuts.
Bloopers. There you go.
Oh.
Fucking bloopers. Since I'm a live streamer on my other channel, so he's gonna add in some fucking blooper, guys. Hijo de la puta!
Yeah, you might want to be careful.
Oh yeah.
You're like getting close to my face.
Oh shit! I didn't see it. My bad.
There you go.
Wait. I'm fucking putting this show. Yeah. So what he's gonna do here is just gonna be the bloopers, I guess, for the other part. Get him, bitch.
Slap that shit.
Like I slapped that ass all the time. Wait, I'll show you guys the
Alright, he'll get the other stuff right now. He's just closing everything right now that we already showed him.
Yeah.
Stuff.
No more.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna show this shit again. I really like this shit. This is fucking awesome.
That big ass rumble. Wait,
The
rumble, right?
The Rumble knife.
Yeah.
Big ass, huge ass Bowie knife, bayonet, motherfucking looking ass.
Pinche ese.
Where is that from? I've heard it somewhere.
Which one?
What I just said, motherfucking looking ass.
Oh, it's not a fucking meme.
I think it was.
Okay, you can just put it back in its box.
Yeah, this just looks like a gigantic M9 bayonet. And this Bowie knife is by Master Cutlery Survivor. The Survivor Bowie knife. Here.
Oh yeah.
So if this guy has like 3 other stuff, so I'll just let him throw in for like bonus stuff. 3 cool things.
First off, I'm gonna
Check this out.
Yeah, I should barbed wire that.
That's awesome.
Check this out. And yes, they're real, they're sharp, and then as long as you want to get hit with it and get stabbed, gets into the hospital, let me know.
Well, I guess you get a little bit stabbed by these that are coming out.
Yeah, especially if you want to get your eyes poked out, yeah. Let me know.
Fuck that.
Yeah, look at this, guys. You can carry this shit in your car, your fucking backpack. Well, I don't know if you can carry this.
You want to be like the
next,
like the guy from Stranger Things.
Or The Walking Dead.
Yeah, or
Lucio.
Median. I think.
And it's actually a real wood guy. You look, hear this.
Yeah. It's a real wooden bag with real barbed wire.
Yep, and then now.
It's crazy that he actually got that, but it's cool.
And actually it's weird I got it mailed in. Exactly mailed in. This is the fucking night stick. Yeah, I can carry this in my keychain, and they're not even gonna know what it is, and I can watch you with this if you come near me. Wait, what's your camera? Right. Alright, see?
And that shit's made of like solid material.
Yeah.
Damn, you don't want to get hit.
You want to hear
that. Babe, bang it on the laundry. There you go.
See, and I think that works.
Yeah, I think it's because you hit it enough times on the ground to like actually get it.
Yeah, they need to work on that to make it a way so they could close. I didn't like it. Well, it's useful for all people, or females. So yeah, check. This is a mystery box. This is the best here. I like this a lot. I ordered 2 of these from the same company, but I haven't arrived yet because they made a mistake. But screw it, guys. Alright, here we go. It's a fucking paperweight brass knuckle.
Paperweight?
That's what they call it, so they won't find out it's illegal. I guess, I don't know. But yeah, this is an actual brass knuckle, guys.
I don't know. No, I'm not into brass knuckles, but they look cool though.
Check this out. And it's actually real. Yeah, it's pretty fucking strong, guys. If you want to get sucked with this by me, let me know. So, yeah, so these I might carry with me at all times. Most of the time when I go out somewhere. Not all the time, so I don't want to get pulled over and get arrested for this. But yeah, that's
so yeah, that's all the stuff we got, and it's not as the recording of this. So like, you don't mind a sec. So one day we're gonna plan to like on when it's day, we're gonna get like fruits and vegetables to actually use these things on, like something more interesting than just this. Like we're gonna go out and actually cut all this stuff. Or use them, is what I mean. So, see you then.
Later, guys.
Sayonara. Welcome back, and here we are behind this guy's place, and we're here to do the little slicing with all the stuff we got right here. We got some apples and bananas, and we're not gonna use the folding ones, because like they're too small, and like, they might be a little bit boring. So we're only gonna be using the bigger stuff. So, you sir, go in the back and help me out with this. I think we should start off with my stuff first. So,
yeah.
We're going to be starting off with my boning knife and my mom's cookery machete.
Yeah.
So I'll just put this over here on the side. Look over here, go over there in the back, and just grab the apples.
And put the shit right here. So you got this.
Alright, here we go.
These are
First
apples.
up, Defender Bowie knife.
So I'm gonna toss it to this guy.
Yeah.
How, like this? You want to toss it like this?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, ready?
I'll try to slice it.
Alright, ready? He's gonna try to slice it,
Go
guys.
for
1, 2.
Fuck!
Ooh, what's this? One, try.
Yeah, here.
You get closer.
I'm gonna do it like this now.
Dude, you kind of did tap it.
It's fine. It's gonna be defective anyways.
Ready?
Hey, you're in the camera though. You're in front of the camera.
Wait. Oh shit, I forgot. Get the fuck out of the fucking way.
Alright, let's go.
Don't try this at home, kids. Oh, yeah. Yep, that collapsed right there.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's a good hit.
Check that out.
Bring it in, zoom it into yours, and zoom it into mine.
Yeah, freaking fireworks. You wanna give it a try?
Yeah, sure.
Sorry about my hat.
I'm gonna fucking chop this shit up. For the string, guys. You got it. You got it?
Here you go. You ready?
Fruit Ninja style.
Keep your eye on the apple.
Come on.
1, 2, 3. Oh, too over high.
I failed. I'll get this shit. Do it again. Fuck.
Oh, that's
harder than I thought.
Yeah.
Come on. Alright.
There you go.
Oh shit, that's just fucking. I got ripped out of a piece, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Next up is my cookery knife. Next up is a cold steel cookery kukri machete.
Let's
Machete,
see.
follow.
180.
This is gonna be easier because it's way bigger.
Which one? Oh, that one. Yeah, obviously. That's the one that Ice has. Some guy gave it to them as a gift.
Ice Poseidon?
Yeah.
Oh.
I was like, what?
Go for it.
Okay. Apple
No,
number.
the same one. The same one.
Oh shit. Okay. Never mind. Apple number 1.
Until we pretty much destroy it all.
Alright. Keep an eye on the game. That was Cisco, wasn't it? Chingale. Parecemos pendejos.
What the fuck? Go for it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay.
Oh.
That I heard that shit. That fucking hurt.
That was pretty cool.
Where did I go?
You're gonna have to try and slice this now.
Oh, fuck. Alright, here. You got it?
Yeah.
Take this like a shot my leg off and shit.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Fuck.
We're so close.
Oh. Catch. Come on.
Ichi, Ning, San. Oh, damn. Yeah,
It's done.
So con.
History!
So that's it for the cookery knife, for the cookery machete. So what do you want to choose next from your collection?
I think the best one's for last, huh?
This?
Fuck it.
That's
Fuck
for
it.
last?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
What do you want to do? One of these three?
Shit. Which one would you choose? This one, huh?
Want to do that one?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
It'll be easy. Next up is this guy's survival zombie knife / Bowie knife.
Right.
So you could get a new apple now.
Apple number 1, number 2 here, guys.
You're gonna do it like this.
Alright. Call of Duty style?
Yeah.
Zombie style.
Get the stands ready.
Ready? Watch the echoes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fuck, that shit went right through in half, dude.
Oh shit!
One hit!
Whoa!
Perfect slice right there.
So we check this shit out.
No fucking way, bro.
Wow, that was like straight up.
Dude, that shit cuts good.
Look at that. Hell yeah, because it's still brand new.
Look at that shit.
Like one of these half.
Fucking Call of Duty shit. Come on, do some Call of Duty stuff.
Right. Ready. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I fucking missed this shit.
Okay.
Catch.
If I can. Oh, there you go.
Fuck yeah, I have to do this.
Okay. Just throw it whichever way you feel like it.
Alright. Fucking ninja style one.
Here we
Oh,
go.
yeah.
Oh.
What the fuck was that?
You jumped.
Alright, strike 2.
Oh. Alright, here we go.
Alright, I'm fucking trying to jump this shit out.
1, 2, 3. There you go.
Oh. This piece went over here. I don't know where the fuck the other one went.
The one's over
Fuck it, I
here.
think I can get some napkins.
Yeah, that's what you want. So there we go. There is this guy's knife.
Alright, I'll be back. Can we get some napkins?
He's gonna get some napkins. So let me do a little trick thing with magic for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna put these shorts in the laundry. So there's that. Really awesome knife. Next up, we're gonna. You can't even see it. Next up, we're going with this one right here, the little dagger thingamajig, like this. I'm gonna put this piece of apple over here so I can use it. Alright.
The beat, bro, the fucking beat. Dude,
Son
my
is
freaking
right in
mom,
my
dude,
face.
my fucking mom went into the freaking screen, she's like,
What?
my mom went into the screen.
Oh.
The fucking screen too. Alright, what are we gonna do next?
Here, you should just put it over here for now.
What are we doing?
We're doing the little dagger.
Oh fuck. That's just a
Just use the two pieces that are right there.
Oh shit. This might be difficult.
Oh yeah, because
It's a small dagger, guys. Small fucking dagger. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
1, 2, focus.
Ah!
I heard that. I heard that shit.
Damn, this is gonna be way harder.
Dude.
We need like a full-size apple.
Yeah. You want to try that?
Yeah. Just throw it.
A Nuel?
The same pieces.
Alright. Alright, guys, ready?
Just one shank.
One shank, guys.
Fuck!
It looks like it wants to get stuck. And one in the bag.
Yeah, I punched it into the bag. Here, throw no apple instead.
Fuck it. Oh, wait, it's over here.
Yeah.
Fucking roll over here. 1, 2. Oh! Did I catch it?
It's sliced in half too.
Did I catch that shit? I doubt it.
I'm pretty sure you did.
Guys, I was pointing at you, so.
Damn.
That
That was
shit's good.
crazy.
Fucking ready to cut zombies up and shit. I'm
Yeah.
a bitch. You're up.
I think you should be able to. Shank it.
Let's go. Come on.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's okay.
Oh, that shit's harder, dude.
I know, because it's small.
Ready? Okay. What the fuck, dude? There's some bloopers right
I
here.
need to use like 2 hands to catch.
Fucking bloopers.
Yeah. Alright. Here you go. Oh,
What was? Oh, I hit it, but I didn't
yeah,
catch it.
you kind of stabbed it.
Yeah, I did. I felt that shit too.
Alright. Here you go.
Oh, dude, what is going?
Here, try this piece.
Alright, fuck it. Oh, that stupid crap.
There you go.
That shit was
Down.
That's how you stab. That's how you would stab a bitch, bro.
Next up is the karambit knife. There you go. Little shit that you saw in fucking Call of Duty Black Ops.
Looks like. Fuck it.
Oh, stuck on it. Here, throw this one.
Oh, alright.
Alright, so you see how we're gonna do this?
Yeah, look at this fucking apple. Wow, let's see how this shit goes. Let me try to get that game.
Ah.
Ah.
Here you go.
I fucking failed. Ready? 2, 3. Fuck it. Dude, that shit would be harder, dude. Oh,
Yeah.
fucking beat. Get the fuck out of here. Fucking
Is there any more pieces
Don't-
we can use? We
don't-
can use this.
Don't touch me. Go away.
Here.
I'll stab you.
Put that one down.
Ready?
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm gonna try to go like that or
Alright.
something.
Yeah, I think that'll be easier. Dude, that seems
Wow.
harder, dude. I think you tapped that shit.
I hit? No, I didn't feel anything. I didn't hit it at all.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. Dude,
Wow.
I think I need to go lower. Let me see.
I'm not sure. It's hard.
I know it is.
It's harder than the fucking dagger.
It's more challenging.
Yeah. I need to do it like a hook or something.
Alright, ready? 1, 2. Yeah. That was close to it.
Keep on going until we get it.
Oh shit. Alright. 1, 2. Oh, I saw
I
that.
hit my arm.
You felt that shit. I felt that.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? Fucking nasty fuck.
There's a plastic over there.
Yeah. 1, 2. Ah, they.
Here, throw me a new apple.
Fuck it.
We'll be easier with the full-size apple.
Alrighty?
Maybe.
1, 2. Oh, I heard
Yeah,
the
I
slice.
heard.
Is that a slice?
I think a little. Oh, it's barely sliced it.
No. Oh shit. Yeah. No, dude, we actually already used the compact knife.
This one?
Yeah, we already used it.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay, I thought you said we.
No, we need this one.
Okay. Fine. Oh shit, you fucking sliced it.
Very good.
Damn. Alrighty, guys.
What?
We're at 1, 2. It sliced again. I heard it.
Just a tiny bit. Yeah.
I told you I heard it.
I'm
I heard
just
the shit go.
slicing right now.
It just slices though.
Yeah, but it's not like.
It's not
slicing
strong
it.
enough as the other one though, guys.
Yeah.
Is it?
It doesn't have that much of a point either.
Nah, I
so
don't
that's
think so,
fine.
yeah.
There we go.
It's fine, it's nice than half. Fucking crap.
Whoa, yeah, look at that.
What's this?
I mean, it didn't cut it all the way in half, but you can see the lines of the slices. This one right there. Alright, your turn. Alright, ready? The Don't Bust a Lance Story now.
Ow!
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Fuck!
You set the other piece to the other side. That was good. Want to give it another shot?
Dude, look at this shit.
I know.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Alright.
Dude, that shit's what
Wow,
right.
that shit's like fucking destroyed its
That
head.
shit
Look at
went
it.
right through. I guess it is strong. I changed my mind.
Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you kind of touched it.
Yeah, I ripped this part off.
Okay.
Ready? Look at this.
Let's see if you could cut this smaller piece.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. There you go.
Eee, hold it. There's all the blood, guys.
All the
That's how I told you you should buy watermelon juice. We could throw the fucking tomahawk
Yeah, I
at that
know.
shit.
We'll be doing watermelons another day.
When I get my other ones.
Now for the grand finale. Probably the funnest one yet.
Well, are you gonna fucking do bananas?
Want to do bananas?
Or what are you gonna do, finish the apples or what?
Yeah.
Alright.
We'll probably spend more time with this one.
Oh, yeah.
Do apples and then the bananas. So here we go with the tomahawk right here. Shit's fucking badass. Let's go!
Ready? Here we go, guys. Ready, 1. See, try this one with the tiger. The fucking tomahawk side.
Ah!
Oh,
That's
fuck,
in
dude.
the face. And
It sliced that hurt.
it barely sliced it.
It did?
Yeah, right here.
Want to try it again?
Yeah.
Estupendo, güey, mira. Ready?
Yeah.
Dude, there you go. That shit was fucking ham.
That was nice. Now let's see if we could do it with the hook part.
Fuck, I'll try that. I want to try that too?
Yeah. Damn.
Imagine stabbing someone with that shit, dude.
Fuck that.
Ready?
Oh, I guess it is what I did.
Yeah, it's over here.
Help!
Ready?
Alright, go for it. Fuck.
Oh, you missed.
Oh. Tomatito,
Yeah.
¿qué te parece si te pongo a ese tan...
Dos.
I cheated.
Ya no,
I cheated. I just threw in a water balloon fight in the back, I'm assuming.
Yeah, someone's ruining my fucking...
Alright. 1,
Away!
2.
He's trying to get me!
Oh,
Yeah, that ain't...
Tried, but he didn't.
here you go again. 1,
She missed
2,
my ass.
3. Oh,
Oh, this is half already.
want to do a full size?
Fuck it.
What? Alright.
Point tomahawk, bro.
Huh?
Point tomahawk.
I know, right? Alright. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Damn! That shit almost hit me in the fucking face.
Oh, it's nice. Throw the other one and try to slice it.
This one?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, throw it and slice it. There you go.
Hello!
Oh, fuck.
Oh! Oh, shit. I didn't do that!
Ow. Wow, dude, okay, calm down.
Oh shit, dude! I'm gonna get a choke.
Oh, yeah, you are. Alright, so we're gonna do bananas. just waste a few bananas. We wasted most of the apples. Good.
Did you get it?
What?
You got it pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this shit, dude.
You fucked up his. Here's the banana.
Ow.
Shit.
We found a little birdie.
Huh?
The grandma found a little birdie.
So we're
Oh, no.
A baby birdie.
Ready?
yeah.
Pinche plata, no fucking banana or shit.
Ah. I feel like you have to throw it like that so it'll land this way.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. Damn. Slice.
Fuck, did I even flex? Oh yeah, I sliced some of it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Who wants banana split?
Oh yeah. Huh.
Get
Right,
the
your turn. Yeah.
Ready?
Alright, here we go.
Let me see if I can do some fucking trick flip or some shit.
Don't like all of it. Here we go. 1,
2.
2, 3. Oh, you sliced some of it.
Huh?
You sliced a bit of it.
Want to throw it again or just slice it?
Sure, just go for it.
What the
Wow.
fuck?
Oh, there you go.
This is your fault. Piece of crap.
Blame it on the plant. Wow. There you
Your
go.
fault too?
Ugh.
Fuck it.
Birdie.
Suck it.
Alright. Well, we made a big mess.
Well, I'm gonna have to wash this shit off.
Well,
Might as well
that's
knife. Might as well knife.
That's all we're gonna do for today, for this video. And
Yeah, guys.
yeah, we had some pretty fun, a lot of laughs.
Rick.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
So, let me show you guys the mess on the ground. But first, let me clean the blade.
Hey, we can just put water right here. There's a water hole.
So, yeah, just thank you for watching today's video, and I don't think I ever mentioned that today was Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day, by the way. I'm just gonna be packing up this guy's stuff and shit. Just put him in there for now, and he'll fix it up. So for now, sun is running my face. Let me show you the mess we made. There you go. Look at all that. There's bananas. There's apples. We didn't use much of the bananas, so we're gonna eat those, and a few apples. So, thanks again, and see you next time.